Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will diving into a review of the Nivea Extra White Repair and Protect. As we know, nowadays our country is facing the hot weather, so many people is fighting about the sunblock. Which of the sunblock is suitable and effective for all types of the skins? So today I will recommend all of you for this Nivea Extra White Repair and Protects, and this product is very effective. So let's go down everything you need to know about these sunblocks. So this video it shows that how the UV ray will damage our skins. The UV ray will reach our skin surface and upper layer, and after that will deeper into our skin, and it will cause the skin cancer. If you use the UV protection such as sunscreens or sunblock, it can protect you from the exposure of the harmful UV rays. So if you long time exposure to the sun, it will damage your skin and let your skin be more darkening. So you should protect your skin from the UV ray. It's not just a luxury, but it is the necessary for maintaining healthy and the glowing skin. Nivea Extra White Repair and Protects. This revolutionary sunscreen combines the advanced sun protection with potent skin repair and whitenings, and it offering a comprehensive solution to common skincare concerns. It also lies a powerful blend of ingredients carefully selected to nourish and safeguard your skin. And the key components such as the licorice extract and vitamin C that was synergistically to repair and brightening the skins, and it addressing the damaging effect of UV exposure while promoting a more even complexion. Nivea Extra White Repair and Protect Sunblock, providing a superior protection against the both UVA and UVB rays. This ensures that your skin is shielded from the sun harmful effect, preventing sunburn, dark spot, and premature aging. With continued use, you can expect to see the visible improvement in your skin textures and tone. Dark spots are lightening, uneven pigmentation is corrected, and the overall radiance of your skin is enhanced, resulting in a youthful, luminous, and complexions. The lightweight, non-greasy formula of Nivea Extra White Repair and Protect Sunblock makes it a delight to use. Its silky textures glide effortlessly onto the skin, leaving behind a smooth, matte finish that is comfortable to wear throughout the days. Whether you are lounging by the pool or exploring the great outdoor, this sunblock offering a durable protection without feeling heavy or sticky on the skins. Now I want to teach you how to use of the Nivea Extra White Repair and Protects. And first of all, you should make sure your skin is clean and not have any dirty or the makeup. And after that, before you use, you should shake the tubes of the Nivea Extra White Repair and Protects. It should ensure that the formula is truly mixed. And after that, you can open the covers and squeeze the amounts that you want, that you need to use. If, for example, I want to use on my hands, so I squeeze a little bit and generally massage, put on the face or the skins. And you should lightly massage the sunblock into the skin until it's fully absorbed by the skins. After it fully absorbed, okay, it's okay. And for the optimal protection, you can reapply the Nivea Extra White Repair and Protect Sunblock every 2 hours or immediately after you went to the swimming or you sweating. This can help to maintain your continuous protections against the UV rays. So with the Nivea Extra White Repair and Protect Sunblock, you can confidently enjoy your time in the sun while knowing that your skin is well protected against the harmful UV rays. Maybe as some people will ask about, does this Nivea Extra White Repair and Protect can use for the sensitive skin, oily skin, dry skin, or so on? I can tell you that this Nivea Extra White Repair and Protect can use for all types of the skins. Nivea Extra White Repair and Protect Sunsblock has undergone a rigorous dermatological testing to ensure its safety and compatibility with all skin types, including the sensitive skin. So, are you ready to experience this magic of the Nivea Extra White Repair and Protect Sunsblock for yourselves? You can find it at your nearest retailer or order online for your convenience. I will put the link Shopee and Lazada below. And that is for today's review. If you found this video is helpful for you, and don't forget to like, share and comment. You also can subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and product reviews. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.